Good morning, friends. How are you today? Today, we're going to read a book called Don't Push the Button, a Christmas adventure, written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Whoa, whoa, Larry's rule. Don't push the button. See that button right there, my friends? Don't push the button. Santa's on his way. You don't want to end up on the naughty list, do you? Gosh, it sure is pretty though. Psst, I don't think any of the elves are watching. Maybe give the button one teensy little push. Oh, golly, you turned me green like a Christmas tree. Push it again. What do you think's gonna happen, friends? Now I really look like a Christmas tree. Okay, that's enough. Push the button 2 times to make me purple again. Yikes! I look like a candy cane. Push the button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Hey, watch it, buddy. Quick, shake the book to get rid of these elves. Shake it. Oh no, all that shaking made it snow. Try pushing the button super hard. Hey, you, that's my nose. I can see Santa coming. Quick, clap your hands and get me back to normal. Let's see who's in this picture. I see Rudolph with a red nose, and I see 1, 2, 3 elves, and I see 1 white snowman. All right, friends, I need your help. Clap, 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 clap. Help get him back to normal. Larry, I'm so glad I found you. I need you and your friend to help start my sleigh. You see the button, my friends? Right here. Do we get to press the button? Can you help me start Santa's sleigh? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Push! The end. Okay, my friends, we saw so many things in the book, so many different colors. We see that he's purple, and here's Santa's belly with 1, 2, 3 buttons. And what other colors did we see? We saw 3 green elves and 1 white snowman.